Now as you see guys here, at this point we're going to put on a number 2 and we're going to create our fade foundation. Remember guys, we are blending right to the cross graduation we did on the sides and back. Guys, now at this point we're going to move on to our next step, which is going to be the baseline. We're going to create a baseline on and around the shape. As we talked earlier, we're going to go for more of a round taper fade. And we repeat the same thing on the other side. And we make sure our baseline is even from both sides. Now what we could do, we could follow this bottom part here by using a foil shaver and get it clean as possible. Then we put on a number 1 classic guard and we start fading panel 1, 2 and 3. So now as you see guys here, at this point we have a fade foundation created by number 2 metal classic guard and we have a baseline. So what we're going to do, we're going to fade from 00 to the number 2. We're going to be using number 1 metal classic guard fully open and we're going to blend right to the number 2, which is that foundation. We're skipping the 1.5 and also going to be skipping the 0.5 guard. So it's a number 1 and it's fully open. Number 1 fully close. The blade or the lever fully open. And a lever fully closed. Now as you see guys here, we use the number 1 open, close, blade open and a blade close. We skip the 1.5 and we skip the 0.5 guard. So now I'm going to move to our next step, which is going to be this side here, panel 2, and we're going to use again number 1 metal classic guard fully open and we're going to blend right to the foundation, which is a number 2. So it's a number 1, it's fully open and we're blending right to the foundation, skipping the 1.5 guard. We close the number 1, fully close. And now we're skipping the 0.5 guard and we're going straight to the lever fully open. We're following up right where we left off with the number 1, fully closed. Now the lever or the blade fully closed, we're blending out the bold line. Now as you see guys here, now at this point I'm only using the corner of the blade to get rid of any dark areas on the fade here. Once we complete this step guys, we're going to move to our last panel, which is the other side, and then that will be our last panel of the taper, and then move to our next step, which is going to be the shape up. So now guys, to see guys here, at this point we're going to be working on our last panel, and again we're going to be using a number 1 metal classic guard fully open, and we're going to blend right to the foundation, which is a number 2 on this case. So as you see guys here, it's a number 1 metal classic guard and it's fully open, and again we're blending to the foundation, skipping the 1.5 guard. Number 1, and it's fully closed, and we're following up right where we left off with the number 1 open. And now we're going to skip the 0.5 guard. We're going to go straight to the lever fully open, or the blade fully open, and we're blending right to where we left off with the number 1 fully closed. We go halfway, and then the blade or the lever fully closed, and we're blending out the bold line. And now at this point, as you see guys here, I'm only using the corner of the blade. Again, put on a number 1, back on. I'm only using the corner of the blade at this moment. And again, corner of the blade. Now as you see guys here, we skip the 1.5 and we skip the 0.5 guard, blending all the way to the number 2, which is our fade foundation, from 00 to number 2, using only the number 1 metal classic guard. Number 1 open, close, blade open, and the blade fully closed. So now as you see guys here, at this point we're going to be working on that shape up. And remember guys, from our previous episode, we always make sure to stay on our natural hairlines. So now guys, as you see, you're going to be working on a shape up on the other side, and again we're staying on the natural hairlines, but we're going to go over these lines a couple of times. We'll make sure we have a clean, sharp lines within the natural hairlines. So as you see guys here, this is our finished result for our neck taper. We created a fade foundation using number 2 metal classic guard. We created a baseline, a round baseline, and we used the number 1 metal classic guard to blend between the 00 and the number 2. We created 3 different panels, middle and the sides and the other side. Then we did the shape up. We used a scissor over comb to blend and soften up all this part here. Now we're going to move to our next step, which is going to be the side taper, and then we're going to do the other taper, and that will be our last step on this episode.